Today we will demonstrate the BM554 machine. This unit features an intelligent AI system and runs on an Android interface. It is very powerful, supports Wi-Fi, and connects to a follicle analyzer. Let us explore the main menu. The first icon on the left is for network settings. The second one is for music playback. The third button manages client records. You can input their name, gender, birthday, phone, and email here. Then simply click Save to finish. The fourth button activates our follicle analyzer. This AI tool detects follicles to determine the required energy and parameters. Look at how clear the display is. We can observe the growth pattern of every single hair clearly. We can see how many hairs are in each follicle and their color. This helps us check if hair removal is thorough. The switch for the analyzer is here, and you can capture images using the button below the screen. After taking a photo, the system generates the recommended energy levels. It identifies hair thickness, color, and follicle depth. Based on this analysis, we can select the optimal settings for energy and frequency levels. The AI handles the analysis, so we operate based on these levels. The device includes 4 magnetic spots for different areas. This 13x28 spot is for the chest and the back. The second spot is 13x24, used for arms or legs. The third spot is 13x13, ideal for beards or facial hairlines. The fourth spot is 6x6 millimeters. It is used for beard shaping, nose hair, ear hair, and fingers. The first step is to apply the gel. You should apply a generous amount to the target area. Now let us spread the gel evenly. Great, let us turn on the cooling. Check the frequency and energy, then hit start and glide slowly. Remember, do not lift the probe. Keep it flush with the skin to avoid heat sensations. Ask the client about their comfort. Do you feel any heat? No heat. Good. If the client feels no heat, we increase the energy. Slide back and forth like this, covering every inch of skin with hair. After operating for 5 to 10 minutes, we may notice the skin turning slightly red. Do you feel any heat? Yes, we can stop the procedure now because the clinical endpoint is reached and the hair removal is complete.